Good afternoon, everyone. Lisa with Power Wash Store, Central PA. I want to show you one of our skids here that we reworked for a customer. The skid was brought to us with a 12-volt system, an antiquated 12-volt system, and we just upgraded everything. What we did here is installed a twin 12-volt system along with a proportioner, so that eliminates the need to batch mix. You'll just turn your dials and your mix will come out ready to use at the end of your gun. The way we have this set up is one of these pumps is going to be your working pump. The other one will be your bleach transfer pump. If your working pump happens to go down, you can easily switch over to the other pump and you're always up and running. There are on-off switches over here to turn the pumps on and off. Then of course your proportioner underneath there. Hose reels, we have two 12-inch, we have an 18-inch U-channel here on the left with the garden hose and a 12-inch hose reels here with the half-inch hose for soft washing. Cup filter in the front's going to be for your garden hose feed, so you'll connect to that to fill up your water tank. This little display here is going to be for the solar system that we installed on this pump. Since there's no pressure washer on this unit, we needed a way to charge the batteries instead of running a trickle charger every night. So this way, this solar panel will collect the power, send it to the battery, which is in that battery box, back to the panel, and then you will always have a charged battery. So we just converted these tanks here. There's 250-gallon tanks. One's for your bleach, one's for your water, and then your 7-gallon soap tank there in the back. Here are our ball valves that we have set up just for flushing out the system, and then also your fill line for your bleach. You'll simply connect into the bleach line to fill up your tank without having to take off the lids and potentially spilling bleach all over the place. So again, Power Wash Store, Central PA, 717-378-2276, and give me a call if you have a skid that needs to be reworked, or if you're looking for something new, we can take care of that for you as well. Again, 717-378-2276. Thanks so much and have a great day.